it's CJ and
Corey.
That's right, it's CJ and Corey, and we're back with another fun craft. Okay, guys, it is almost time for Halloween. And today we are making a super fun craft. We are making fork.
And I'm going to be Barbie for Halloween.
She's going to be Barbie for Halloween. Fork painted jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts today. You can make any kind of monsters or ghosts or whatever you'd like using this technique. So of course we have our
plastic fork.
We have plastic forks.
And we have paper.
Yep, we have construction paper. We have a few pieces of our Bright Pop cardstock. We're just going to use the white side. We have some washable glue. And we have a few colors of tempera paint. We're definitely going to use the orange and white, but we also have some green and purple in case we wanted to make other monsters too. Okay, Corey, do you want to start with your jack-o'-lantern or your ghost?
Jack-o'-lantern.
Jack-o'-lantern? Okay, so Corey's going to start with her orange paint. Let's get some orange paint down on here, baby. I'll get some too. Even though I'm probably going to start with my ghost.
Okay.
I'm afraid of no ghost. I'm going to get some white down for my ghost. Alright, so you're starting with your jack-o'-lantern, so you need a white piece of paper for that one. I'm going to turn this to the side. Once you push your sleeves back too, so you don't get your sleeves in your paint. Cool beans. Alright, and I'm going to use a black piece of paper because I want the white to show up. Okay guys, so what we're going to start doing is just using our fork and getting that paint down all over our piece of paper. Corey is using the white paper so our orange shows up for jack-o'-lantern, and I'm using the black paper for a white ghost. Here we go. Here we go.
I do that too?
Yep, you just start using it with your orange. Ooh. I'm gonna try to do mine like a longer shape, so. Okay guys, which one would you start with? Would you start with making a ghost, a jack-o'-lantern, or some other kind of a monster or cool figure? So now I just kind of have a big white blob on my paper. And you could totally use like googly eyes or something pre-made here, but we decided we wanted to make all of our shapes today. So I'm gonna cut out 3 circles actually, for 2 eyes and a mouth. I'm gonna cut like just some big blobs.
I'm still working on my paint.
She could definitely still work on her paint. So you see, I'm just cutting out some misshapen circles. They're not really perfect.
Guys, I really want to make some white and orange. I want to see what color it's going to be.
Just kind of got some misshapen circles here, and these are going to be my 2 eyes. Let me put that down. Got my little circles cut out. They are totally not perfect at all. I have 2 for eyes and 1 for a mouth, and that's going to be for my ghost.
It's supposed to be a little, but that's fine. I still love them.
Then I have some glue here, and Corey is still getting her jack-o'-lantern painted. I put a glob there and a glob here. You could totally let it dry first, but it's cool. That's why I decided to use this glue.
Okay, now I'm done with my paint. Now I do what I do.
Okay, now you can get some black paper too, and you can cut out a little zigzag mouth and some triangles for the eyes. And while she's doing that, I'm getting my ghost eyes on. Getting my ghost eyes and mouth.
Those look littler.
Look at that. Whoa. Now that I see it, I kind of want to add some more paint to my paper to fill it out a little more around it. Whoa. Since it's the same color, we totally could have like left that space open, but I wanted to be able to cut the circles out and stuff myself. Look at that. So we have a cool fork painted ghost. Guys, this is a fun craft to do with a bunch of ages, right, Corey?
Yeah.
Little kids could do this craft, big kids, mommies and daddies.
15 kids.
15-year-old kids?
Yeah.
Now Corey is just over here taking her scissors and she is making her mouth shape however she feels her jack-o'-lantern mouth should go.
I'm just going to put it on there.
Oh, you're going to put some glue? Right here?
Yeah.
All right.
Just do.
Like a line like that. I think that's good. Is that where you want it? Now Corey is starting to make her jack-o'-lantern face here. That is so cool, Corey. Ooh.
Please.
That's okay. Look at that. So cool, Corey. Now let's get you some eyes. So this is, I'll show you the way I would do eyes and then you could do yours however you'd like. I'll go up and make 2 triangles like that. You want to try that?
Yeah.
She is cutting out some triangle eyes and I'm cutting a little leaf and a stem for the top of her pumpkin. There's one. That's great. Now do one more for your other eye. She has one eye done. All right. All right. So start gluing all your pieces down. This jack-o'-lantern is coming to life. That is so cool, Corey. I love that. Look at Corey's jack-o'-lantern. So cool. Okay, Corey, do you want to make a ghost too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to make a jack-o'-lantern while you make a ghost. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Ah! That mouth looks like he's like, oh. All right, Corey, show him. Let's hold him up. Ah.
We had the best time with y'all making jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts.
Making jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. We had the best time. You're right about that. Yeah. You did great today.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you know what to do. If you make this craft, you gotta tag CJ and
Corey.
And you gotta hashtag Crayola Crafts. And then you gotta meet us right back here on the Crayola channels every month for a super fun craft right here in our creation station.
I'm gonna show them a great trick.
Okay, what's your cute trick? Oh, I bet you guys can't do that. You gotta let us know if you can do that in the comments. Okay, guys, we'll see you next time back with CJ and
Corey. Bum, bum.
with fun Crayola crafts. Peace out.
Peace out.